Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now let us see exercise 7.3 question number 2. Find the value of k for which the points are collinear. The given points are 7, -2, 5, 1 and 3, k. Let us label these points as first one as capital A, second one capital B and third one capital C. Now here the given condition is that these 3 points are collinear. If the points are collinear means they lie on the same straight line. That means here, for example, here if A is there, then here B comes and here C comes, or whatever order it is. Here B may come, then A, then C. If not, here first C may come, however they are. Here C may come, then B, then A, or C may come, then A, then B. However they are, the thing is that since they are collinear, they all the 3 lie on the same straight line, irrespective of the order. When they form a straight line, they cannot form a triangle, right? For example, if A and B lies on the line, if C does not lie on the line, then here, for example, C is above the line, then there is a possibility to get ABC triangle. For example, if C is below the line, then there is a possibility to get the triangle. But in this case, C also lies on the line. That's why there is no possibility to get the triangle at all. That is the reason, since there is no possibility of triangle ABC, its area is also 0. Clear? So let us start the problem based on that concept. So here we can write it as, since the given points A, B and C, these 3 are collinear points, are collinear, we can write collinear. Area of triangle ABC is 0. Why? Because there is no possibility to get a triangle with these 3 points. So since there is no triangle, there is no area. That is the reason area of triangle ABC is 0. Now again, let us come back to the area of triangle formula. That is half mod x1. Here let us label these points as x1, y1 for the first point. For the second one, x2, y2. And for third one, x3, y3. So let us write the formula half mod x1 into y2 minus y3. Plus x2 into, here is it is stopped at y3, so let us write y3 minus y1 plus x3 into, it is stopped at y1 minus, here is starting on y2, with that it should be closed. So this value is 0. This is the area of the triangle ABC, that is 0. Without getting any confusion, let us send this to that side. It is here divided by 2, that becomes into 2. So 0 into 2 will be 0 finally. So let us write this value, that is x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is 0 into this 2. 0 into 2 becomes 0. So for the further step, we need not to maintain this 1/2 at all, because it has become 0. Now let us substitute these values now. First I would like to substitute x1, x2 and x3. So here x1 is 7 into something plus x2 is 5 into again something plus x3 is 3 into something is equal to 0. Let us fill up these blanks now. Here you see y2 minus y3. Here y2 is 1 minus y3 is k. So it is 1 minus k. It is 1 minus k. y3 minus y1. y3 is k minus y1 is 7. Sorry, y1 is minus 2. See here minus and here this minus. Minus into minus becomes plus. So here 2 comes. y1 is minus 2 minus y2. y2 is 1. Let us simplify this so that you will get the value of k. That is what here required question. So here let us simplify. 7 into 1 7 minus 7 into k is minus 7k plus 5 into k is 5k plus into plus is plus 5 2s are 10 plus 3 into minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So let us write directly here. Let us write directly 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. If not, plus into minus is minus 3 2s are 6 plus into minus is minus 3 1s are 3 equal to 0. If at all you are able to write directly, you can write minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 plus 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. In that way also it can be written. Now here we move further. Let us pick up the k values. It is minus 7k and plus 5k. Because your symbols are different, we have to subtract first. That is 7k minus 5k is 2k. Bigger number is 7. It has minus symbol, so it is minus 2k. Let us simplify all the constants. 7 plus 10 is 17. So it is plus 17. Minus 6 minus 3 is minus 9. So here let us write minus 2k as it is. 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9 is here 8 is equal to 0. So finally here minus 2k, let us send that side. So right side it will become 8 is equal to minus 2k becomes plus 2k. Let us write k as subject. So 2k is equal to 8. 8 equal to 2k can be written as 2k equal to 8. Let us send this to that side. So k is equal to 8 divided by 2. So 8 by 2, that is k is equal to, here 2 4s are 8. So it is k is equal to 4. So here if the given points a, b and c are collinear, in this case the value of k is equal to 4. This is the answer for the first bit. Now let us see second problem, second bit. That is, find the value of k for which the points are collinear. These are the given points. Let us label them as first point as capital A, second one as capital B, and third one as capital C. So these are the given points. Now here given A, comma B and C are collinear. These 3 points are collinear. When they are collinear, they lie on the same straight line. Suppose here if A is there, here B will be and here C will be. It is not necessary that they should have the same order, but the thing is that if they are collinear, means they all the 3 lie on the same straight line, right? So when they form a straight line, they cannot form a triangle. That is the reason area of triangle ABC is definitely 0. So let us write area of triangle formula. Before writing that, let us label it as x1 comma y1, b x2 comma y2, and c x3 comma y3. Let us write the formula for area of triangle ABC. This is half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y2 plus x3 into here y3 minus y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. This is the area of a triangle ABC whose vertices are x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3, right? Now here as usual we send this to that side. That will be 0 into 2 becomes 0. So let us write the formula again. x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is 2 into 0 becomes 0. So let us substitute these values. First I would like to write x1, x2 and x3. So here x1 is 8 into something plus x2 is k into something plus x3 is 2 into this something equal to 0. Let us fill the blanks now. y2 minus y3. Here y2 is minus 4 minus y3 is already it itself has minus. So this minus into this minus becomes a plus. So minus 5 becomes plus 5. Right? y3 is minus 5 minus y1 is 1. y1 is 1 minus y2 you see y2 itself has minus, this minus into this minus becomes plus, so minus 4 becomes plus 4. So let us simplify this. 8 into 5 minus 4 is 1 plus k into minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6 plus 2 into 1 plus 4 is 5 equal to 0. Let us simplify further. 8 1s are 8 plus into minus is minus, k into 6 is 6k plus 2 5s are 10 is equal to 0. So here it is. Let us add the constants because they have the same symbols. Plus 8 plus 10 is 18. 18 minus 6k is equal to 0. Right? So here I would like to continue. 18 maintain the same side is equal to minus 6k. Let us send right side. It will become plus 6k. So just I would like to make this k as subject. So I am rewriting it as 6k equal to 18. 18 equal to 6k. Nothing but 6k equal to 18. So here we need only k. So let us send the 6 that side. It becomes 18. It is into multiplication. It becomes divided by there. So 18 by 6. When you simplify, 6 3s are 18. So here k is equal to 3. So we can conclude this problem. If the given points are collinear, then the value of this k is 3. It is the final answer for this second bit. Let us see next bit. That is second problem, third bit. Find the value of k for which the points are collinear. The given points are, let us label them as A, k comma k, B, 2 comma 3 and C, 4 comma minus 1. So here given that these 3 points are collinear points, so let us write given A comma B and C are collinear. If they are collinear, then they lie on the same straight line, whatever order it is. So here I am taking A, B, C. They are collinear. When they lie on the straight line, they cannot form a triangle. So in that case, area of triangle ABC is 0. So let us write area of triangle ABC formula. Before writing formula, let us label it as x1 comma y1. This is x2 comma y2. This is x3 comma y3. So I would like to write the formula for area of triangle ABC. That is half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. Now here let us send this divided by 2 that side. That will become into 2. So here it is. Now we can remove this modulus. So this is x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 is equal to 0 into this 2 becomes 0. Now let us substitute these values. Before substituting, let us substitute first x1, x2, x3. So let us, I am writing first x1 means k into something plus x2 is 2 into something plus x3 is 4 into something equal to 0. See here, you please keep in mind, it is not compulsory to maintain the gaps, But actually, if you maintain the gaps, it will be easy to substitute those values, especially those who are facing difficulty in substitution. For them, this technique will be helpful. So here y2 minus y3. y2 is 3 minus y3. y3 itself has minus. This formula has minus. Minus into minus becomes plus. Plus. So minus 1 becomes plus 1. Now here y3 minus y1. Here y3 is minus 1 minus y1. y1 is k. Right? Here y1 minus y2. Here y1 is k minus y2. y2 is 3. So let us simplify this to get the value of k. So it is k into 3 plus 1 is 4. Plus, here let us multiply. Plus into minus minus 2 1s are 2. Plus into minus is minus 2 into k is 2k. Plus 4 into k is 4k. Plus into minus is minus 4 3s are 12 equal to 0. So here let us simplify further. K into 4 is 4k minus 2 minus 2k plus 4k minus 12 equal to 0. Simple. Just have written k into 4 as 4k. Remaining all the terms have dropped as it is. Now we pick up all the k terms. Means here you see 4k minus 2k plus 4k. Let us write all the three together. If not, you can simplify them also. So here let us write 4k, then minus 2k plus 4k. Now constants. Minus 2 minus 12. Minus 2 then minus 12 equal to 0. So here I am moving the problem. 4k plus 4k is 8k. 8k minus 2k is 6k. Is it clear? If not, 4k minus 2k is 2k, 2k plus 4k is 6k. However you do, you will get the 6k only. So I am doing here, first I am adding 4k, 4k is 8k, 8k minus 2k is 6k. So it is 6 times k, minus 2 minus 12 is minus 14 equal to 0. So here let us send this value that side. So it is 6k equal to minus 14 becomes plus 14. So here we are going to find k equal to 14 by, here it is into product multiplication becomes division. So it is 14 by 6. Let us cancel with the second table. 2 7s are 14, 2 3s are 6. So here we get k is equal to 7 by 3. So here if the given points they are collinear, then the value of k here is 7 by 3. So k equal to 7 by 3 is the final answer for this third bit.